Hey everybody, it's Tom from 20th Century Rescue. I'm at Charlie's Treasures in downtown Seymour, Connecticut, and we have this beautiful Art Deco vanity, and it is in very, very good shape. There is some minor cleanup that needs to be done on it. There are some minor scratches. Unsurprisingly, was used. But it's just beautiful, and I think it will finish up nicely. The drawers are all intact with a lot of space. They're very deep and high. There's no name on it. I've looked at the back, and there were two labels, and unfortunately they were both seemingly taken off years ago. It is an impressive piece. The mirror, however, has some issues. I don't know if that can be fixed or not. Hi everybody. But it's an impressive piece. There is some wear on this side. That's surface varnish, taking off the, well, I guess that's veneer then, wouldn't it? I don't know if it's veneer or not. And again, on the bottom, I'm a little cramped in here. And that can be covered up, I believe. It doesn't feel like chips. I wish I'm here in person. I can't even tell you because it's in an awkward place. But it's beautiful, and I think it's worth every penny of the $600 that it's priced at. I am going to be posting this after this video. I'll have the dimensions for you. As a matter of fact, let me just do a quick right now of those dimensions, which I'm coming over here to do. Let's see. So first of all, the depth is 19 inches, and I'm going by the far corner there at 19 inches. The width, if I can get it to say, damn it, it's 47.5 inches wide, and it is 25.5 inches tall, and the mirror goes up to 65 inches. So there you have it. It is compact, it's beautiful, and there is a bench with it. Darn thing on the floor. This did come with it. Pick this up with one hand. There you have it. Works beautifully. Love that yellow upholstery, which obviously is not original. There you have it. Any questions, please DM me. Thank you.